Thursday, January 8th. Also, in preparation for this lesson, you should have downloaded the copy from my website of the characterization notes combined with the character profile sheet. In addition, you will need 2 short stories to fill out the other 2 profiles, either from The Most Dangerous Game, Two Kinds, or Marigolds. So, characterization. The overall definition is that it is the method used by the author to develop a character. You can see at the bottom of this screen that it is taken directly from the Common Core Standard. On your notes sheet, you'll need to start filling in the methods or types of characterization. Direct characterization and indirect are the 2 types overall, again. Direct characterization is when a character is literally described directly by what the author tells us. An example of that would simply be Tom was a gray cat and Jerry was a mischievous mouse. The author takes adjectives and specifically tells us about Tom and Jerry. Indirect characterization is a little less obvious, and it is used as far as what the author shows us. So there are 5 methods of how an author can show us about a character. You'll need to pause this screen, probably in order to write them all on your notes, but the 5 methods, starting with characters' thoughts and going in counterclockwise order, are that it could be the character's thoughts, character's actions, the character's appearance, or you could write the character's looks, the character's words, or the character's speech, and then the very last one is other characters' reactions to that character. So again, pause this screen if you need to. Moving on to some examples of how this might look on a standardized test. So for example, the WKCE or the ACT down the road. From Marigolds, when Elizabeth ruins Miss Lottie's garden, it reveals about her character that A, B, C, or D. Pause this screen and determine the best answer. Continuing on, your second example, again, pause the screen and determine the best answer. And lastly, from Two Kinds, is the best answer A, B, C, or D? Pause the screen and then restart it again when you're finished. That sums up the lesson portion of the characterization. Again, make sure you find the Frozen video. It says Characterization Lesson using Disney's Frozen. Watch that 5-minute clip, and you should fill out the first character profile sheet in your packet from that. The other 2 sheets would be from the short stories. So for those remaining 2, you may choose The Most Dangerous